Hello, David here at MarineMax at Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2023 Sea Ray 23 SPX. We have a black onyx side color with a white hull. We have our graphic down the side here, our nice super large Sea Ray emblem, midship cleats, bimini top up above my head. Our fuel fills right here on the port side. As I come back to the aft of the boat, you can see we have the stainless steel boarding ladder so we can get up on deck. We have C-deck on the swim platform. This boat's powered with a 300 horsepower 6.2 with a Bravo 3, the biggest engine that you can get in this boat. We have the swim step. I'm not going to go any farther than that, but this would fold 180 degrees and allow you to sit in the boat, still attached to the water. Our ski pole is right back here center. Nice large swim platform. We're going to get up on deck and show you some more options. Okay, we moved up on the aft of the boat. It's a beautiful day. I have the lounger set up. This easily stores away, but it's very comfortable to sit back here and watch the kids swimming or catch some sun. As we move up, this is very simple to just fold down and put away. And you have your giant sun pad that you can lay across. As I come through, we have our onboard charger port right here. We can plug the boat in if we have shore power, keep the batteries fully maintained. There's a locking hatch right underneath. A finish on the backside, dry storage inside. Our batteries are in there as well. We have a transom door to walk through and some more storage inside. Moved up inside this 23 SPX, you can see there's lots of spacing, lots of seating. There's storage everywhere. Let's start over here. There's a small door on the port side. Battery switches in there. You can put ropes in there, a first aid kit, a cell phone. More storage for shoes or whatever you want to put in there. That's dry storage as well. There's a charge port right here. You can charge your cell phone, leave it on the cup holder. Nice grab handle for your guest. To access the engine, there's a latch right there. This lifts up. I have the cover stored in here on the back. You can see our 6.2 300 horsepower Mercruiser engine is in there. That is the max power for this boat, as I had mentioned. That with a Bravo 3 should run the boat pretty hard. Underneath our seat here, we have a cooler that allows us to bring inside so we can bring our drinks from home. More storage, built-in cooler. Notice cup holders are everywhere. As we move up towards the helm, we have our captain's chair, built-in bolster, digital throttle, digital shift, more charge ports underneath, instrumentation, tilt steering, RPM, speed, trim, and fuel gauges up there on the helm. We could also order this boat with a Simrad digital dashboard. Our Fusion stereo is also controllable from the helm. That is AM, FM, Bluetooth. One of the other key features I'd like to point out is we ordered this boat with a bimini top. We take the sleeve off. Very easy to go from full sun to full shade. And this covers from the windshield right to in front of the back seat. The 23 SPX is the first model that Sea Ray makes, the smallest model with a head compartment. And that's right here on the port side. There is a pump out porta potty in there. No reason to ever see or touch or any of that nasty stuff. There's a fitting right up in here. You pull it in the marina, it sucks out and goes away. Right now our props are currently stored in there as this boat just came in. As I move forward, there's another ski locker underneath my feet. Of course the windshield is latched. When it close over, when you're running you can open it. More storage underneath each seat. There's an anchor locker in the bow. More storage, more seating. Excellent for a day on the water with the family. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, we'll show you the rest of the options and get you on the water. Thank you.